If you want to refresh your presence on Pinterest or simply update your look, changing your profile photo is a quick and easy way to do it. This is especially useful if you want your account to feel more personal, professional, or up to date with your current style. To begin, open the Pinterest app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where all your boards and pins are displayed. At the top of your profile, you will see your current profile picture. Tap on it, and Pinterest will give you options to manage your profile image. Select Edit Profile or Update Profile Picture depending on your app version. Now you can choose how you want to update your photo. You can either pick an image from your phone's gallery or take a completely new photo using your camera. Make sure the image is clear and well lit because your profile picture represents your identity on the platform. After selecting or capturing your preferred image, you may be able to crop or adjust it slightly. Once everything looks good, simply tap Done or Save to confirm your changes. Your Pinterest profile photo is now updated and ready to reflect your new look perfectly.